listen. Seeing you got ritualistic. Cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say.